Greetings and welcome to another one of our videos. We'd like to invite you to listen to the last Voice of Yoga show that aired June 23rd, 2025. The topic of that episode was Tempting the Hand of the Lord. Swami, your thoughts?
Jesus fulfills the law by illustrating. The adulteress, in her ignorance, is unfaithful to her husband, and the Pharisees, in their ignorance, are unfaithful to God. Go and sin no more.
Looking to be a faithful witness to the truth? Well, listen to the podcast. Visit the website www.ipdtransform.com. Thanks for watching. Have a wonderful Kriya Yoga realization. Namaste.
Namaste.
Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamidam